Hey guys, what's going on? Just got back from another trip to Walmart. When you have a baby, you make a lot of different trips there to get diapers, formula, and all that, whatever. Decided to go with the deck builder toolkit today because I was working on the deck and I'm running low on land. So I had to get a little bit more land. So it's sealed, everything's good. Our contents today, 125 randomized cards, 4 booster packs, 100 lands, guide to building the best magic decks. Yeah, all sorts of good stuff. Got a box in there. Alright, so let's open her up. Right there's the box. Little guidebook that comes with it. Let's pop her open. Piece of cardboard, throw away. Actually got something in here that's a rare. Not gonna open these, just gonna do the booster packs, leave these sealed. There's the lands, some more cards. But you guys tune in to watch the packs get cracked. So that is what we're gonna do. We have 4 of them. So, we will see what we get. Also, next week, I should be getting the booster box. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open the booster box on here, let you guys see what I got. I'm going to put a link in there to my eBay site and let you buy the packs that I open up. So if I get a masterpiece card, you'll have a 1 in 36 shot of getting it. Everything that I open up out of the booster box will be for sale. I am not going to pull a single card out. But let's see what we get here. This is Shadows over Innistrad. Moonlight Hunt, Gress Boone, and our rare Seasons Pass. So that's a good mythic right there. Good start when you start with 1 mythic. And we'll do a Kaladesh now. Wayward Giant, Tasseled Dromedary, Revolutionary Rebuff, Night Market Lookout, High Spare Arston, Revoke Privilege, Renegade Tactic, Self-Assembler, Tidy Conclusion, Inventor's Goggles. Alright. Oval Chase Dragster, Hazardous Conditions, Janjet Sentry, and our rare Confiscation Coop. Nothing good there. We're gonna go ahead and go with the Eldritch Moon here. And we'll see what we pull out of here. Blessed Alliance, Shards of Sanity, Lashweed Lurker, and our rare Identity Thief. Our flip is Lone Rider. Alright, and our last pack of Kaladesh. You can hear the little man there. Thriving Ibis. Thriving Turtle. Kujar Seed Sculptor. Thriving Rats. Curio Vendor. Chandra's Pyro Helix. Cog Workers Puzzle Box. Renegade Freighter. Rush of Vitality. And for our uncommons, I think somebody's really talking. Sorry about the interruption, guys. He's just having a good time down there. Bobat Bazaar Barge. Inventor's Apprentice. Refurbish. Paradoxical Outcome is our rare. And we got a Woodweaver Puzzle Knot Foil. So, nothing too amazing in there. No masterpieces or anything. But just wanted to share with you guys. But have a good one. Thanks for watching.